Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in here. This was on the front. If it's something you can buy, I will link it right down in the description so you can check that out if you want to. Thanks to the person who sent this to me. Thanks to the generous patrons who support me. Right now, there's a link for my Patreon right down below. We have fun over on Patreon. And thanks to the people who follow me on Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's open this up. It feels like there's more than one thing in here. Almost. I'm right. One. We have something there. And two. Okay, hold on. We have a note. What do we have? Okay, well, here is the Instagram account at TDC_daily_carry. Memento. Hi, MC. I've been watching all your videos for the last 2 years, and I never miss an upload. Holy cow. Thank you. You have helped me form my taste in knives along with other knife channels on YouTube. I find my taste in knives is fairly similar to yours, and it is always enjoyable watching your content. Thanks. I appreciate that. Oh, goodness. Yes. The other knife I sent you, I think you might like, I haven't seen reviews. Okay, yes. All right, yeah, that's fine. I think you really do. The knife community channels like yours are what I have turned to get away from the news and politics of the last 2 years of this pandemic. Yes, I'm glad that you have found a way to, or found that in my channel. Absolutely. That makes me very happy. So I'd like to thank you for being a respite from the noise of the talking heads. Cheers. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you very much. Let's check this out first, because there's a spicy boy in there. So this guy is called, hold on, I'm reading the note. Yeah, okay. The Artisan Tradition. Okay, from Artisan Cutlery. I remember seeing this thing, I think a long time ago. Interesting, look, the anno work on here is pretty cool. I feel like the Artisan Tradition is definitely still available, right? If it is, I'll make sure and link it down below. This is kind of neat. I like Artisan Cutlery knives. I've just never handled this one. But yeah, I think this has been around for a bit. This is going to be more on their premium side. And, what I mean is their more expensive stuff. So, yeah, pretty neat. It feels like a titanium frame lock running on bearings. Plenty smooth, good action, good detent, good access to the lock bar. I'm not a huge fan of, it's like, definitely put your 2 fingers right here. It's kind of like I want this area to move around a little bit. Forward choil's a bit short. Wish there was some jimping out here. I do like their nice tumbled finish on this. That's nice. Edge feels good. Yeah. I think the blade stock looks like it's in PM2 territory. Perhaps a bit thicker. Maybe more like 150 thousandths. Yeah. This is a bigger knife than I thought it was. Just out of curiosity. I'm going to measure it. Yeah, that thing is 9 inches. I don't know why. I always thought this was like 8 1/4, about the same size as an XM18. Interesting. Now to review. This is first impressions. If I decide to review this, you'll get a full video down the road where I go over everything. Full comprehensive review. Now this guy, this is the one that we talked about. This is a pocket sword. Shirogorov pocket sword. Oh boy, let's make sure that is all the way out of the way. Look at that. Oh, wow. Man, that is huge. Oh boy. Very expensive pocket sword from Shirogorov. The 111 is what we're looking at here. Where do you get that? You don't have links down below. My suggestion would be, God, that's awesome. Recon 1. But it's going to cost you a lot of money because this is a Shirogorov. Beautiful. Looks like carbon plate, most likely. I don't know. I don't know if we'll keep seeing that from them or not. Countersunk titanium liner lock. Let's see. Sorry. I need to get rid of these screws. I don't know why. They keep attaching to the magnet on my flashlight. And what's this? What's this say right here? MRBS. Interesting. Yeah, I was looking for a steel lock bar insert, but I am almost completely and total 99.9% certain that that is a titanium liner. Oh, it's wanting to stick a little bit. Maybe it is steel. Is it? Is that a steel liner lock in there? Interesting. I'll have to do a little bit of research. We have M390. This is a gigantic knife. Overall length of the 111 coming in at 9.75 inches with a 4.5 inch blade, over 4.25 for the cutting edge. Holy moly. You know, the crazy thing is that it really doesn't feel like it weighs all that much, and it's probably because we have titanium backspares. These come in different colors, by the way, a lot like the F3NS and various other models. But it looks like, let's look back in on this side again. I think that's all, yeah. That's pretty much all carbon fiber except for the countersunk lock. So the weight on this guy, I bet this is about 4.5 ounces, maybe a little heavier. It's throwing me off because it's so big. 4.83. That's almost. That's fairly close considering, like, you know, the whole ounce and inch rule, right? 4.5 inches of blade to 4.83 ounces. That is crazy. As far as ratios go on a big knife, I've never seen something like this. You can absolutely use that fuller there to kick the blade out. And it is stupid smooth, just like every other multi-row bearing system Shirogorov that I've ever handled. Man, you know what's crazy? This has such a good carry profile. This is one of the only, like, monster knives that I think I would actually be able to carry. I don't think this would be super problematic to carry. It's funny because it's so big, right? Normally I'd be like, oh, cool, you know, but no, I'm not going to carry that, or I wouldn't. But this, yeah, flipping action is excellent. I mean, it's typical Shirogorov. Everything is just perfect, right? That's that level of perfection, that level of execution with the design is what you're going to pay for, right? It is just a knife. There are, you know, most decent designed knives will cut, but in this territory, we're not, you know, the people who are paying money for these types of items, again, they are paying for a lot more than simple utility. They're paying for this level of fit and finish, this level of design, this level of execution, pride of ownership, certainly. But yeah, very cool. So anyways, like I said, not a review, just unboxing, first impressions. That's really all we're looking at here. So I will definitely be doing a full comprehensive review of this guy. Perhaps this guy. I need to see if it's still around. You know, if it's totally discontinued, I might skip it. But it's interesting in any case. I appreciate you sending this for me to look at. That's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do not like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.